This next song is called You're Nothing Special. It's hard to stick to being friends in one way or another. It's funny watching you pretend we were just all over each other. Oops, in my periphery, I think I've spotted something better. You're kinda cool, but I'm mean. Well, you're just kinda so whatever. 'Cause nothing could ever be enough. I don't think you're anything special. I'll make it tongue and cheek to pretend I'm not heartbroken. I'll swear I'm trying, swear I'm clean. I know our love was never hopeless, 'cause nothing could ever be enough. I don't think you're anything special. Best of us was a little rough. My idealized view of how I love you. You're nothing special. You're nothing special. You're nothing. And while I'm trying to move on, sometimes I get a little sidetracked. I bet you miss me, now I'm gone. Back in the option to come back. Now I can see it. Don't wanna need it anymore. 'Cause nothing could ever be enough. I don't think you're anything special. Even when things were easy, it was still tough. And all I'm just sentimental. Take off your shoes, let's review how I loved you for too long. You're nothing special. You're nothing special. You're nothing special. You're nothing special. You're nothing.
Don't worry, that song wasn't about you.